Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I get into the niche, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. The first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99, and you get 16 lessons with over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch. Then I also have one for Redbubble as well. It's also a step-by-step master guide for mastering Redbubble. $19.99, 20 lessons, also an hour of content. Good for beginners or people struggling to get sales on Redbubble. Here are my credentials on merch. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales and I've made over $35,000 in royalties. And if we take a look at my credentials on Redbubble, you're going to see that in the summer months I did 266, 317. Oh, I got a sale. 248. So if you're interested in those courses, the links are going to be in the description, and I'll also have I'll also have it in the pinned comments. And I'm also going to be coming out with two Etsy courses. That chain that you just heard was a sale from Etsy. I actually do the best on Etsy out of all of the platforms that I sell on. The best is Etsy, then it's Merch, then it's TeePublic, then it's Redbubble. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today, or the phrase, is not nice without spice. And if you've been on merch for a while, you know that anything that has to do with like pumpkin spice sells very well. We've seen this niche just kind of take off in the past few years. And right now this phrase is trending because it's obviously fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving is coming up. So we can see that this is the design right here. The competition is very low, only 64 results. So barely any competition. And when we look at this design right here, we're going to see that it was just uploaded. I can just get that thing out the way. September 14, 2022, so just 2 days ago, and it already, oh wow, I got another sale. Etsy's doing good today. Okay, and this was also, and it's already getting sales. You can see it has a BSR of 825, so it's already selling, and it's very low in competition, and this is the time of year that these type of designs sell. The pumpkin spice niche really takes off. When we go to see if this is trademarked on test, we type in not nice without spice, hit enter. You're going to see that nothing for this phrase comes up. There's going to be a few results, but it doesn't have to do with the phrase that we're in. In the courses that I sell on Gumroad, I actually teach you how to understand and read trademarks so you know whether something is safe or not. But when we take a look at the competition on the other websites, Etsy, not nice without spice, only 5 results. Redbubble, very low as well, only 15 results. TeePublic, looks like it's pretty low as well. And one thing that you can do is you can go to Vexels. If you're looking for a place to find like graphics, clip art, things like that, you can type in pumpkin spice, and you can get some really good graphics. Like this one looks really nice here. This one also looks good. I have an affiliate link in the description, so if you're interested, it's only like 20 bucks a month. Vexels by far is probably the best place to get graphics for your print-on-demand business, merch, Redbubble, things like that. So that is basically going to be the niche for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I make videos almost on a daily basis. Well, this week, not every day. Last week I was. But, I just haven't really found anything that's kind of worth making a video of. And I've just been kind of busy with doing my Etsy critiques. So take a look at my channel as well. If you're looking for other design ideas, I have these playlists, recent uploads, September 2022 trending niches. And if you're looking for more ideas, more trending niches, you can come here and you can watch these videos to get some more ideas for your print-on-demand business to help you make some more sales. And that's basically going to be it. Consider subscribing. Click the bell if you like this kind of content, and then check out the courses if you want to purchase one. All right. So thanks again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.